Hey, what's up friends, it's Moses. I hope and pray that you guys are doing well. First things first, if you are a CDL driver and you want to come work for JB Hunt, I encourage you to send me your name, your phone number, and your zip code. My email is moses@driversuccess.com. I will give your information to Susan. Susan is the recruiter that I work with. She's so good at what she does. So I'll give her your information and she will call you and let you know what's available in your area. Now, even if you are just new out of training, JB Hunt has started a program. It's starting a program where they are training new truck drivers. So even if you're just out of training, just send me your information. Now, it depends on what location you are in. Susan will give you all the details, but whether you have experience or you don't have experience, if you want to come on with JB Hunt, then I encourage you to send me your information, and then Susan will give you a call and get you placed as soon as possible. I'm going to Waxahachie. Actually, it's this side. Made it. Let's go check in. That's the trail I'm supposed to be picking up. That space, I don't know if it's good enough for me. It pays to be small. For those of you that are readers of the Bible, I have a question for you. In Galatians chapter 5, verses 22 and 23, the Bible talks about the fruit of the Spirit. There are 9 fruits that it talks about. Can you name those fruits, all 9 of them, without looking at the verse? Just from the top of your head, name all the 9. All right, made it to my second load. Let's go check in and pick it up. Because of the pandemic, for more than a year, we were not able to go to church. But thank God, finally, last Sunday, we were able to start attending church again. 2 things happened to us. Number 1, for those of you that watch the channel, you know that we have 2 daughters. One of them is 6. The second one is 3 years old. So the first one, the 3-year-old had never ever gone to Sunday school, like their children's church. Before the pandemic, we used to go to the adults' church. But this time when we went back, when she saw her sister go to Sunday school, she was like, she also wanted to go to her own class. So of course they're in separate classes. We took her to her class, and we thought maybe they may end up calling us, telling us that maybe she wants out, but she was there the whole time, and we were surprised. The second thing that happened is when they came out, like we asked them all, so what did you learn in church? And they tell us, and I was surprised. The 6-year-old one, she was able to remember 7 out of 9. You remember the gifts the fruit of the Spirit that I was asking you? She was able to remember 7 out of 9 from the top of her head. And it's not like she struggled a lot. She was just naming them. And I know for those of you that are not parents, or for those of you that are not Christians, you may not see this as a big deal. But to me, seeing this little girl, it's like, my God, these girls grow up so fast. That's why you see, for those people that have had kids, those people that have gone ahead of us, they always tell us, enjoy these times because time flies. And just looking back, that it was just 6 years ago, 3 years ago that we had these kids, and looking at them grow, seeing how they are developing in character and all this stuff, you are like, wow, really time flies.